Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to buy NFT on Opensea using Coinbase Wallet. Connect your Coinbase Wallet app, fund it with ETH or a supported token, and enable the wallet's browser or Wallet Connect option. Next, sign in to Opensea and link your wallet, review the NFT details like price and royalties, confirm gas fees, and approve the transaction when ready. I'll walk through each step clearly and calmly so you can buy with confidence. Open Coinbase Wallet, create an account, and store your seed phrase offline and secure. Add ETH by transferring from your exchange account or use the buy option inside the wallet for convenience. If your device lacks an in-app browser, use Wallet Connect from Opensea to link the wallet, then approve the connection. Always check the receiving address and network to avoid mistakes before proceeding to purchase. Find the NFT you want on Opensea, read the description, and confirm authenticity and price. Choose Buy Now or Make an Offer, then review estimated gas fees and total cost so you avoid surprises. When you confirm, Coinbase Wallet will prompt you to approve the transaction, double-check gas settings, and the recipient address. After approval, wait for the network to confirm, and your NFT will appear in your wallet collection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.